Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. In other stories, anti-migrant protesters have started marching in several South African cities to hand over memorandums of demands to government officials, with demonstrations turning violent in some areas. According to SABC News, marchers gathered at King Dinizulu Park in Durban, with some seen carrying traditional weapons including shields and sticks that police have banned at public gatherings. Similar scenes were reported in Bloemfontein, where protesters were outside the Premier's office to submit their memorandum of grievances. In Gauteng, thousands took to the streets of Soweto. Police were deployed to escort protesters who said the demonstrations would continue until their demands are addressed. The situation in Kliptown, Soweto, later turned violent, with some sheikhs allegedly belonging to foreign nationals being looted and clashes breaking out between marchers and police. The marches come ahead of a June 30 deadline set by anti-migrant group March and March for undocumented foreign nationals to leave South Africa. The Border Management Authority says over 13,000 foreign nationals have been repatriated or deported in the past 2 weeks, including about 3,000 Zimbabweans. The government has maintained that immigration enforcement remains a state responsibility, while urging calm and warning against violence and looting. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.